me like this. You used to have a real problem with spiders. We're not going to be taken down this easily.
But it needs washing. It's very helpful to do that washing. I really love to do that washing as well, too. Well, I just came home here and just came from next door. Hey, maybe it needs washing as well, too. Maybe it's just like I came from washing back home again. Well, I just came here back from the future. I just came back here all the way from Central or South from Australia, from Africa. From Central or South Australia, from America. It means it looks like a good day for an experience for the trick.
In all the chaos, we should be able to sneak into Plankton's control center to stop his operation completely. You're smart, kid. We've already got an agent in Jellyfish Fields. Your mission is to make contact with our agent. Don't worry, he's one of our best men. His code name is...
Well, in a coastal run, it means that I work from Central or South Australia from America. It means I worked very well. I worked very hard and I can't touch anything. Well, it is very hard. Well, it's almost there from Central or South Australia. It means I go through with it together. Well, it was about 3 times ago. That was 4 weeks ago. I would take you back there for 3 hours ago. It would take you there. It was just about from the Central or South Australia at the park.
Over hill, over dale, we have hit the dusty trail, and those Caissons go rolling along. In and out, hear them shout, counter marching right about, and those Caissons go rolling along. Then it's hi, hi, he, everybody follow me. Shout out your numbers loud and strong.
2, 3, 4.
Wherever you go, you will always know that those Caissons go rolling along. Over hill, over dale, we have hit the dusty trail, and those Caissons go rolling along. In and out, hear them shout, counter marching right about, and those Caissons go rolling along. Then it's hi, hi, he, everybody follow me. Shout out your numbers loud and strong.
2, 3, 4.
Wherever you go, you will always know that those Caissons go rolling along.
Awesome job. Let's do this faster.
Over hill, over dale, we have hit the dusty trail, and those Caissons go rolling along. Then it's hi, hi, he, everybody follow